You have gone 200 meters under the sea, and your world has become a pitch-black void. The thing is, there is light down here, you just can't see it. This is the mesopelagic zone, and animals in this deep, dim zone not only survive, they thrive, using vision as their superpower. So what do they have that you don't? Light first passes through the cornea, gets bent into focus, and enters the pupil. The lens and cornea team up to focus that light on the retina, where photoreceptor cells turn those photons into electrical signals for the brain to interpret. Easy enough on land, where light is plentiful, but in the deep ocean, where light is a rare commodity, this setup needs an upgrade. Enter tubular eyes. This design is a trade-off. The eye gets a big ol' lens to capture as much light as possible by sacrificing field of view, like looking at the world through a paper towel tube. This does give binocular vision, which doubles their light sensitivity. To work around this narrow field of view, many fish point their eyes upwards to catch what little light trickles down, and some can rotate their tubes mouthwards for hunting. And that's not all. They have an extra wide pupil and even leave a gap to maximize light capture. They have a reflective tapetum, bouncing stray photons back onto the retina for a second chance at detection. And why stop at one retina when you can have 2 or 3? The secondary retina increases lateral light capture, and some species have this retinal diverticula that scoops up even more photons with the help of another reflective layer. In some cases, they have their own little lenses to focus that light. And these retinas are probably just normal retinas, right? Of course not. Their photoreceptor cells are all rods, and most mesopelagic fish have just one type of rod pigment that is tuned exclusively for blue light, perfect for picking up faint downwelling sunlight and bioluminescent flashes of other deep-sea critters. These rods are also ridiculously long, and stacked in usually 4 or 5 layers, but some fish have up to 28 layers to make sure no photon gets away. And if that's not enough, some fish, instead of having a tapetum, have their rods bundled into reflective guanine cups, turning the bundle into a photo-hoarding gang where one stray photon sets them all off. With all these adaptations, these deep-sea creatures are making the most out of the little light reaching the depths, putting the sea into deep sea.